Not all AI is created equal, and if you're using the wrong version, you're already behind. People talk about AI like it's one big thing, but just like your phone, your car, or your internet speed, AI comes in versions, and which version you're using makes a massive difference. This is where most people get left behind, because if you're still using GPT 3.5 while your competitor is using GPT 4.0, you're basically showing up to a car race with a bike. AI models evolve in generations. Each new one becomes more capable, more accurate, and more useful in real-world scenarios. Kind of like going from dial-up to Wi-Fi to fiber. Each upgrade unlocks new things that you can actually do. And once you see the difference, you'll never go back. Let me show you how and when we got here. Ever wonder when AI went from being a fun party trick to a real business tool? It started here. Let's rewind to 2019. GPT-2 shows up. It can write basic text, but it's super repetitive and not something that you will actually use to run your business. Then in 2020, GPT-3 drops, and this is where things start to get interesting. Suddenly, AI can write long-form content that actually sounds human. It's still a little weird sometimes, but for the first time, businesses start to experiment with AI-generated emails, blog posts, and even sales copies. It's not perfect, but it's usable. And once it becomes usable, things started moving fast. AI didn't go mainstream because of hype. It did because it finally became reliable. Fast forward to 2022, GPT 3.5 launches, and it's the engine behind the first public version of ChatGPT. It's more stable, makes fewer mistakes, and feels a lot more helpful in everyday situations. Suddenly, millions of people are using it and businesses start to notice. Then GPT-4 lands in 2023, and now we're in a whole different league. The model doesn't just respond, it follows instructions, it creates structured documents, it can summarize legal contracts or financial reports. It's not just creative, it's reliable. At this point, AI shifts from a tool to an actual team member, and it's only just getting started. What happens when AI can read, write, listen, and talk all in one conversation? You get GPT 4.0. In 2024, we meet GPT 4.0. And this one isn't just smarter, it's multimodal. Text, images, voice, all in one conversation. You can show it a picture. You can talk to it like a person. You can use it to build full business strategies on the fly. This is where AI stops being just a tool you type into and becomes something you actually collaborate with. Marketing teams are using it to generate copy, graphics, and voiceovers in one workflow. Customer support teams are letting it talk and listen in real time. This isn't the future, it's already here. But here's the thing most people still don't realize. Here's why the version of AI you use isn't just a tech detail, it's a business decision. Every step in the evolution of AI hasn't just been about power, it's been about trust. The more capable the model, the more you can rely on it in real-world work. That's why versions matter. It's not just about speed, it's about quality. It's about accuracy. It's about whether or not you let AI handle the thing that actually moves your business forward. GPT-2 to GPT-3 was a shift from fun to experiment to real use case. GPT 3.5 to GPT-4 was good enough. I can count on this. GPT 4.0 is now text-only to multimodal workflows. Each one changes what's possible, but the next part is what really separates the pros from the pack. If you're not upgrading your AI tools, you're not falling behind, you're already behind. Here's the real takeaway for business owners. What feels advanced today is going to be the standard in the next 6 months. If your competitor is using GPT 4.0 to generate landing pages, images, emails, and audio, while you're still trying to make GPT 3.5 write a blog post, you're losing hours, losing quality, and losing leverage. So here's the play. Always ask what version of your AI tool is built on. Don't assume it's the latest. Some tools still run on 3.5 behind the scenes. And build your systems to evolve with each version. Don't just catch up, build to scale, because AI isn't slowing down. And the businesses that win are the ones that stop reacting and start upgrading. You're not watching AI evolve, you're building with it. So let's go. And hey, if this gave you clarity or saved you some time, Make sure you give this video a like and smash that subscribe button. This is where you win, right here, one smart move at a time.